I'm Homechef Bill McDowell, and today I'm going to share with you at least 24 things that we thought should go in the refrigerator that probably don't need to.
Let's open this up and see what we have here. We got coffee. And there's bread. And we've got hot sauce. Potatoes. And sweet potatoes, for that matter. Tomatoes. Apples. Chocolate. Butter. Onions and garlic. Aged cheese. Peanut butter. Olive oil. Unopened pickles. Ketchup and mustard. Bananas. Watermelon. Pastries. Oranges. Basil. Cucumber. Honey. And last but not least, soy sauce. As you can see, we've made a lot of room in our refrigerator with the things that don't belong in there. Look at this bag of stuff.